For the 11th tip of Christmas, I'm going to share with you 11 amenities that add value. Merry Christmas Eve if you're watching this the day of, and if not, well, I'm just glad that you're here for the 11th tip of Christmas. We only have one more day left, so let's make the most out of these last 2 days. For the 11th tip of Christmas, I'm sharing 11 amenities that will add value to your nightly rate and probably will get you more occupancy as well. The first and probably the most popular is going to be a hot tub. A hot tub will, especially during the colder seasons, bring a lot of people to your place versus the competition. Number 2, a heated pool for the same reason could bring a lot more people to your place versus the competition during the cold season. Number 3 is a bike. Number 4, workout equipment. Believe it or not, that is definitely a good one. Number 5, sleep number beds. Sure, it costs a lot of money, but it will be worth it because they're getting the best sleep of their life, and they're gonna come back again probably because they enjoyed their sleep. Number 6 is a game console. I'm talking about, and you can get these super cheap on Amazon, you know, N64s and Nintendos for very, very cheap. That will help them go back to the good old days and have some fun. Number 7 is a game table, so a pool table, ping pong table, foosball table, those always go a long way. Number 8, how about a massage chair? You can get these for under $1,000, especially at somewhere like a Bob's Discount Furniture. They come really inexpensive and it's a great add-on. Number 9 is a fire pit, which is going to be awesome for those later nights in the evening, the twilight, having a cocktail outside and sitting by a warm fire. Number 10, especially if you have a pool, a barbecue grill for those nice summer days. And number 11, the final one, some sort of outdoor games, or if you have it in your budget, a putting green. Can be expensive, but putting green can definitely attract a higher paying clientele. Can you believe it? We've only got one day left of the 12 tips of Christmas. Merry Christmas for those of you that do watch tomorrow, and I want to make sure you see the last 10. Here they are again, including my free masterclass at the end. 10 ways to get a 5-star review. 9 common objections. 8 hot holidays. 7 furniture and decor essentials. 6 places to shop. 5K to get a VA. 4 ways to get a listing. 3-day minimums. 2 sets of towels. And a free masterclass.